At Sandvik, we're renowned for reliable equipment that gets the job done, always. Powerful and smart, they enhance productivity and boost your profits. And now you can rent them. No waiting, no downtime. Just get the equipment you need at the terms you want. You can never predict what happens in business. With flexible renting, you rent what you need with short wrap-up times, so you're prepared for any unexpected demands in your operations. From equipment and original parts to training and aftermarket support, rental agreements from Sandvik help you control your costs and minimize your risks. And units are in stock near you today, tested and maintained. They're ready for delivery, so you can maximize your uptime and hit your targets. Renting from Sandvik, the world's most reliable equipment, smart technologies, and on-site expertise. Now available to rent. Rental services, the quality you need when you need it.